This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Elizabeth Papa. Outstanding long lake view from your beautifully screened and lanai in the Isles of Collier community. Wonderful Wisteria model boasts a great floor plan looking out to a spacious lanai with an outdoor kitchen. This home, being sold turnkey, features intricate ceiling detail, extensive custom millwork and lots of light through hurricane impact doors and windows. The cook's dream kitchen has white cabinetry, granite counters and a large island that seats 5. The Isles is close to downtown Naples, beaches and the Hamilton Yacht Club. Hiking and biking along the nature walks and paths as well as boating fit in perfectly with the nautical open-air restaurant and the many amenities the Isles has to offer. Professional pictures coming next week. For more information, review the details below.